Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a ice cream. Let's draw with me. First I am drawing a chocolate bar. Then I am drawing a strawberry ice cream. I love strawberry ice cream. In the third one, I am drawing a cone, an ice cream cone. In summer, we like ice cream too much. And children love ice cream drinks. First, I am coloring in stick, orange color. Then I am coloring in ice cream, pink flavor. I am coloring its top with light blue color, yellow color. I am coloring a green color. I am coloring its seed with yellow color. Coloring in stick, pink color, yellow color. I am coloring in cone, orange color, red color, sea green color. Now I am coloring in ice cream cubes. Color with me. Yellow color, a 2 layer of ice cream cone. Now I am coloring in sprinkles.
Subscribe us for more videos.